Good evening, guys. Welcome back to market analysis. So let's see what happened in the market today. So this is Nifty 50 index, 15 minutes chart. So if we see market open today around 110 points gap up. Yesterday it closed around 15,183 and today it opened close to 15,300. So since the beginning the market was in selling pressure. So it was a huge consolidation around this area. So till to 130 it was huge consolidation. Market was not ready to break 15,245. So after that, when it broke, it went till this filling this gap. I mean, like the yesterday's gap. And then after that, market started moving up. So the typical pattern. But what happened is today, most of the banking stocks had almost fall. Reliance, a huge selling pressure happened today. We see starting from it opened at close to 2000, 1996, and it was almost 32 points. So the entire day, Nifty was dragging, HDFC Bank was dragging. So ICICI Bank was supporting, but still the heavyweight index were pulling down. So could not sustain above. So this move is a healthy one, which means that when we are moving in a upside, I mean like huge upside, it is good to make a retest. And the necessary retest has been done today. So if you see the yesterday, I mean 15,183, close to 300, a huge gap up. So that got filled. So if you come to Bank Nifty, this gap filling was a necessary one because in almost 2 days, 2 to 3 days, it has moved more than 1,500 points. So it is necessary to cool off. So that's what happened today. It almost filled the gap, and 34,430 was the lowest. So after that, market started moving, but then a small resistance is there around this area. Maybe tomorrow it will start moving upside. So if we see FI data still favoring, so still favoring on the longs. FIs are 60% on longs and 53% hedged with shorts. So they are overall bullish. They are continuing their buying spree. So tomorrow we can expect the market to move up. So tomorrow is a settlement day. So if you see market tomorrow may open around this area or flat, and after that it may start picking from here. So tomorrow this market may, I mean like generally Wednesdays are hugely volatile. So tomorrow it may be a very volatile day. So plan accordingly. So all the banks, a huge selling today. See, HDFC Bank went till 15,020 and then it today closed around 14,080. So close to 40 points. ICICI Bank, I'll show you on the day chart. We see most of the I mean like most of the stocks, banking stocks, were huge selling pressure today. So tomorrow we have to see the action because if you see HDFC Bank has given a huge breakout, sustaining above 15,100, 15,050. I mean like 1,550. Market may go to 15,600 in quite 2 to 3 weeks. I mean like 3 to 4 weeks. So let's wait for the tomorrow's action. So this consolidation is a necessary one for a healthy move. Reliance is still in the consolidation. It moved till 200, 2000. 2015, and then it is again in selling mode. This is again still in a consolidation mode. But again, I am expecting market to move close to 2200 Reliance. So that is a price action happening here. So that's all for index side. So tomorrow, if market opens flat, it's buy on dips market. So uh, be on the long sides, especially on the levels. So if you see market support is at 34,500 and above 30 to 35,000 as a huge resistance now. Above that 35,500 is having a good resistance. Coming to Nifty 15,200 is having a good support. 15,100 and 15,000 is having a heavy support. 15,300 a good resistance, and 15,500 is having the huge resistance. So personally, I'm expecting 15,300 to 350 levels, or the today's low is going to be the range for day after tomorrow, which is expiry. So it's again a buy on dips market. So any positional longs 31,900 sorry 33,900 is going to be the 33,900 is going to be the stop loss. So coming to the momentum stocks for tomorrow, IFB India, the first pick, today gave a huge breakout, 978, 2094. JSW Steel, today there is a huge buying. Metal industry started shining today. So there was a huge buying opportunity. So I am expecting close to 715 to 720 levels. Tomorrow, look for the PRB and start entering. DLF. So personally here in JSW Steel, it is around the 61.8% retracement. Staying above that, 78%. Yeah, 78% retracement is there. If market sustain, if JSW sustains above 710, then there will be a huge move upside to 78.6% retracement. Wait, let me check where it is. Yes, it will move to above close to 750, 765 levels. But we have to see there is a, I mean, like there is from the cabinet meeting held today. There is some positive news for today, especially for the steel sector. DLF made a shooting star pattern. Look for sell opportunity tomorrow. If it opens above that, it is a mild resistance is there. If it opens above, then again it will start moving. Emphasis, a huge move today. Tomorrow, like today. Concur. See, there was a huge buying at the last 15 minutes. So tomorrow I'm expecting a gap up here, and market sustains above that, the gap up. I think this is an FNO stock. TCS. TCS again last 15 minutes buying was there, expecting a gap up. Balkrishna Industries. Huge move today. FNO stock. PRB method. Please use PRB method tomorrow. Asian Paint. Asian Paint has given a breakout. I had already mentioned in my video, previous videos about. So if it sustains above this 2854, there will be a huge move, and today it happened. So it opened at 2837 and close to 100 points today. So again, please look out for this. This is a multi-year breakout and a cup and handle. So please look for a 10 to 15% move, then a retest, and then again start moving upside. So these are all the picks for tomorrow. If you like this content and if it is useful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.